My day-to-day involves everything from walking job sites like we are today. Watch the mud there.
I oversee projects from design through construction into the warranty period, making sure that the projects are kind of going on track to follow our schedule and budget.
Here at Jeffco, we have 12 project managers. They're guiding the project from cradle to grave.
I like to think of myself a little bit as a driver of all of those variables, just trying to keep the project in the right lane.
Hiring architects at the beginning of projects, have the architects put together construction documents, bidding documents.
So this is the pack of drawings, you can see how thick it is, for Marshdale that the architect put together and the engineers. And this is what we use to bid off of. You can see all of the different structural drawings, all of the details that it will take to put the school together.
And we'll go out to contractors and have them give us bids.
This is the instructions to the contractor. So it's a lot of really good information in there.
Once they start digging, they're out there every week looking and monitoring what's happening in the field.
Weekly contractor meetings on site where we tour the site, get to see the progress that has been made. We talk about issues that might be coming up.
And they'll be in various stages. It could be just starting design on one and completing construction on another, and have another one midway through construction, another where you're reviewing the drawings and getting ready to put it out to bid.
It's definitely a juggling act. You know, it's a matter of being organized.
A lot of emailing and phone calls. I'm getting voicemail. Trying to make sure that nothing is an emergency.
Out in the field one day, in my office the next day. It's exciting. I like not doing the same exact thing every day.
They are busy the whole process through.
I work with the contractor and the architect to make sure it's a cohesive package. We also work with the furniture. You can kind of see that we're going through the furniture package right now to make sure that also works with the interior finishes, and just making sure the finished product is something that visually and functionally works for everybody.
You know, things never go smoothly. So part of my job is making sure that when those bumps in the road do happen, that we can make them as smooth as possible.
We started out with the red wall panels on the side of the school, and then after meeting with the community and looking more at the site, we decided that we would actually go with green wall panels on Marshdale just to help it blend in a little bit more with the mountain atmosphere.
I don't have all the answers, but I try to know who to ask to get the answer.
Our mission is to provide the best learning environment for our students and the best working environment for our staff.
Being able to contribute back to the community, I feel like that's the thing that makes the biggest difference. I have 2 kids in Jeffco, and just being able to see them and other kids benefit from the improvements in the school.
But my daughter will be a 6th grader here, so it's really cool to kind of walk on the floors that she'll be walking on here in a couple of years.
And it's definitely a team effort, trying to make a creative and enlightening space.
To see the kids and the teachers being so excited about it, that's what makes the job worth it. That's what we do it for.